Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Mary, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to hide likes and share counts on Instagram. Firstly, you need to open your Instagram app. On the bottom right corner, tap on profile icon. When you enter on your profile page, on the top right corner, tap on three-lined icon. Here you got the different options. Tap on settings and privacy. When you enter on your settings and privacy, under what you see, tap on like and share counts. Now you need to toggle on hide likes and share count. On Instagram, the number of likes on posts and reels from other accounts will be hidden. You can hide the numbers of likes on your own posts and reels by going to advanced settings before sharing. The number of likes, views, reposts and quotes on posts from other profiles will be hidden. And this is how we hide likes and share counts on Instagram. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. And thanks for watching. I'll see you on next tutorial.